Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Dijkstra's algorithm step by step using a fully solved example. This video is especially useful for BTech students because I'll explain the algorithm line by line exactly the way we write in exams. I will also show you how distances are updated, how vertices are selected, and finally how we get the shortest path from the source. So let's start. First, let us understand the graph given here. This is a weighted directed graph. The vertices are S, source, A, B, C, and D. The weights on the edge represents the cost or distance to move from one vertex to another. From S to A, the weight is 10. From S to D, the weight is 5. From D to A, the weight is 3. From A to D, the weight is 2. From D to B, the weight is 9. From D to C, the weight is 2. From A to B, the weight is 1. From C to B, the weight is 6. From B to C, the weight is 4. And from C to S, the weight is 7. Our goal is to find the shortest path from source vertex S to all other vertices using Dijkstra algorithm. Now we begin Dijkstra's algorithm. First step is initialization. Distance of source S is set to 0 because distance from S to itself is 0. Distance of all other vertices are set to infinity. We also maintain the parent of each vertex, which is initially null. Now we extract the vertex with the smallest distance. Currently, S has 0 distance, which is minimum. So we select vertex S. Now we relax the edge from S. Distance to A through S is 0 plus 10, that is 10, and distance to D through S is 0 plus 5, that is 5. So we update A and D, vertices B and C remain at infinity. Now again, we extract the vertex with the smallest distance. Among all remaining vertices, A is equals to 10, D is equals to 5, B is equals to infinity, C is equals to infinity. The minimum vertex is D with distance 5. Now, we relax edge from D. Distance to A via D is 5 plus 3, 8, which is smaller than 10. So we update. Distance to C via D is 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Distance to B via D is 5 plus 9, 14. So we update distances A, B and C. Again, we select the vertex with the smallest distance. Now the distances are A is equals to 8, C is equals to 7 and B is equals to 14. Minimum is vertex C with distance 7. Vertex C does not give any shorter path to other vertices, so no updates are required. Now, the remaining vertices are A is equals to 8 and B is equals to 13 after update. Minimum is vertex A with distance 8, relaxing edge from A. Distance to B via A. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. This is smaller than the previous distance 13, so we update. Now only vertex B is left. Distance of B is 9, so we extract it. At this point, all vertices have been extracted and Dijkstra algorithm stops. Now, let us write the final shortest path from S. Shortest path from S to D is 5 and the path is S to D direct. Shortest path from S to C is 7 and the path is from S to D and then C. Shortest path from S to A is 8 and the path from S to A is S to D and then to A. Shortest path from S to B is 9 and the path is S to D, D to A and then A to B. These are the minimum distances from source S. So, this was the complete step-by-step execution of Dijkstra algorithm, exactly how we write in exams. So, if you find this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.